Are you looking for a way to add multiple accounts on TikTok? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily add multiple accounts on the same device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the very top of the page. So now you have the ability to switch accounts and add new accounts. So if you want to add multiple accounts on TikTok, simply tap where it says, Add Account. And then you can sign up for TikTok using these options, or if you already have an account, just tap where it says Login. And then continue with one of these options to log into that existing TikTok account. Once you've added that, you can easily switch accounts by tapping this. And all of your added accounts will be visible over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.